In order to establish a connection between the application and your car, you must choose your preferred device from the list of paired devices on the screen. After the connection is established, the initial screen will reflect so. Swipe from the left to choose between the types of control. Let's take a look at button control first. This type of button layout enables us to control the left and right differentials individually. The sports mode is enabled by default. In this mode, the speed increases instantly. The speedometer turns red to reflect this sudden increase in speed. The sports mode can be switched off on the settings page. The speed will now increase gradually instead of instantly. The headlights can be switched on and off through the buttons on the screen. When static cruise control is enabled, a pop-up is displayed on the screen to choose the speed which will be maintained. When the autopilot feature is enabled, the car is coded to follow a black line placed on the ground. Automatic braking is turned on by default, so if the car encounters an obstacle, the car will stop. The following distance for the adaptive cruise control can be chosen on the settings page. When the adaptive cruise control is enabled, the car follows the obstacle in front of it at this chosen following distance. The tilt control feature enables the user to give precise steering inputs. The obstacle maneuvering feature allows the car to maneuver around an obstacle it encounters. The car will check the left and right side and choose a route accordingly.
Gotta be the first, that's why ladies choose me. All up in the news cause we so cute, that's why we so huge. Allergical girls know how I feel. Daily spec I keep it real. Not a China man cause I ain't from China man. I am Japan man.
You see Nigo coming out of the black pants SLR. You wonder where he get that kind of money.
So at the end of it all, you may ask, why have we decided to develop the project like this? Each feature has a purpose that can solve a real-world problem. We think if we are able to understand and make these features work on a smaller scale, then we can lay out the blueprint for how it should be programmed for a real vehicle use. By using a small smart car, we can test out the features and check for any problems that may occur in real scenarios.